What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Hannah. Today I am going to do my affordable 2020 jewelry collection haul for you guys. I am not a huge jewelry snob, so I will give you that as a forewarning. I like my jewelry to be like very simple yet make a statement. I wear them pretty much every day. I switch them in and out. Earrings more than necklaces. I'll go like 3 months wearing the same necklace and then I'll switch it out, but earrings I switch out more regularly. So I'm going to get straight into the video to show you guys all of the pieces that I have collected that I swear by. Okay, first piece that we're going to start with is my Miranda Frye hoops. I have definitely showed these hoops in several other vlogs and videos, but I just wanted to dedicate basically a whole video to these earrings themselves because I think that they are that good. So these are my Miranda Frye gold hoops. I believe that they were anywhere between $78 and $80. Definitely not on the super cheap side, but really affordable for a great quality pair of earrings. These earrings look like they should be like $300+ like the ones from Jennifer Fisher, and they're not, which is absolutely amazing. And I know I've showed them in a different haul, but I just wanted to mention them here again because I've actually had a lot of questions about them recently in my vlogs. So if you're wondering, this is where they're from, that's the price. That's another thing, is that I'm going to link all of these items down below, and if I can't find that exact item, or if it's sold out or they don't sell it anymore, I will make sure to link a similar one so that you guys can invest if you would like to. All right, next pair of earrings that we have, I've actually never officially worn these out, that's why they're still in this package, but these are just some black sparkly hoops from Altered State. Super cheap and affordable. The price is literally still on the back. They were $19.95, so like $20+ with tax, and I was going to wear these on New Year's Eve, but I decided against it because they were really big and my dress was already a statement piece, but that's besides the point. So yeah, they're just these sparkly, super simple black statement hoops. I've been super into hoops recently, and you're gonna see that every single earring that I have to show you guys, I'm pretty sure is some version of a hoop. Just as a forewarning, because they're kind of like very in right now and I'm digging it. The next pair of earrings that I'm going to show you are also from Altered State, and I have gotten questions on these as well. These are tortoise style earring. They're dangly. They're very simple. The gold ring around it, I don't know if you can see that, is super thin. I will warn you guys that these are definitely not the most comfortable earrings that I have ever worn, but I think that they're really cute, and if you're not planning on wearing them for like a super long time, like I wouldn't recommend going to sleep in these, but if you want to wear them with an outfit for a few hours, they're definitely fine. If you have super sensitive ears, I wouldn't recommend. Just keep that in mind. Alright, the next pair of hoops that I have are from Francesca's. They're also the tortoise style earring, except these are more hoop-de-hoops. I absolutely love these. They were super cheap. Francesca's is always running deals on their jewelry. It'll be like buy one get two free, or buy one get one free, or buy two get one 50% off. You get the point. They're always running deals on their jewelry, so I would definitely recommend checking out their jewelry collection. Great price. They're always super durable, and I've never had an issue with them breaking out my ears, and they're cute, which is a plus. The next pair of earrings that I have are these pink. They're like the semi-tortoise style earring, but they're light pink and they are square hoops, which I thought was like a very cool feature. I actually got these from Target, believe it or not. Target is upping their game lately with all of their clothes, their bikinis, their jewelry, their bags. Like, you can find some amazing hidden gems, and I think that these earrings were $10. I wish I was kidding, they're $10. And I haven't had an issue with them breaking out my ears. I just think they're really cute. I've worn them with a few white dresses. I think it's a very simple statement piece, and I've also gotten a lot of compliments on them. They're very girly and just all around super cute. Alright, the next pair of earrings that I'm going to show you guys, and the last pair of earrings that I'm going to show you guys, I actually recently just got. These gold everyday hoops are from Madewell, and drumroll please, guess how much they were? $20. That is all I spent for these simple gold thick amazing quality hoops from Madewell. They literally look like they could be like $300 Jennifer Fisher hoops, and I got them for $20. So that is an amazing hack. Warning that they are gold plated and not like gold hoops, so I wouldn't recommend wearing them in the shower or in the pool or getting them wet, because color probably will fade over time. But because they're $20, you could probably just continue investing in the exact same pair. But I was scared when I ordered these because I didn't know if I was gonna like them or if the quality was gonna be amazing. Like, like a really nice pair of earrings were, but I'm genuinely surprised. I'm shooketh, one might say, by these earrings. Such a good find, such a good hack. Definitely would recommend. All right, moving on to necklaces. I have 4 statement necklaces that I want to show you guys. I'm going to warn you that 2 of these necklaces I did receive as gifts, and I'm not entirely sure where they're from, but I have seen so many dupes for them, so I'm going to link the dupes down below. But I just think that the style is really cute, so I figured I'd share. So the first necklace that I'm going to show you guys is this necklace from Kendra Scott. It's like a white gold pendant with just a really simple white crystal. Depending on where you're from, this might have been a big thing for you guys, but it definitely was a big thing in my area for a while. If you don't know, I'm from Northern Virginia, and Kendra Scott kind of like popped off a few years ago, and there's different locations all around. I just love how simple and elegant it is. It goes with absolutely everything. It is the perfect length. I sometimes find that necklaces will either be like too long on me or will be too short, and it's kind of like, or like an awkward in between length, and this necklace falls perfectly on my chest, and it's just very dainty. And like I said, I'm not super into like over the top in your face type jewelry, so I love this personally. Next necklace that I'm going to be showing you guys, I actually received as a gift from my boyfriend. I think he gave this to me as my birthday gift, like literally the first year that we started dating. And it's just this really simple gold bar. Like I said, I don't actually know where this is from because he gave it to me as a gift and I don't remember what the box said, but I have seen these types of necklace floating around on different websites here and there, so I will make sure to link an affordable one. I'm not sure this one was too affordable. Shout out to my boyfriend, thank you for treating me well. And I wear this so often. I sleep in this, shower in this, get in the pool with this. The color is never faded, it's never turned any other green weird color. You could probably also layer this if you're into that. Sometimes when I layer necklaces, I feel like I'm getting choked and I don't like how it gets knotted, so I'm not really into layering, but I think it'd also be a perfect piece to layer if you're into that. Next necklace that I'm going to be showing you guys, I actually got from my first communion, so it is very old, and yes, it is real gold. It's this really pretty cross necklace. I know not everyone is super religious, and I'm not even super religious. I did have a first communion. I did get this from my first communion. I think it's very pretty and very elegant, and it goes with a lot of things. Whenever I wear it, I always get a lot of compliments on it, and I've definitely seen some cheaper options with this style floating around, so I'll make sure to link it, but I just think it's super simple yet a statement, and it goes with everything. Like all of these necklaces do. I just feel like I'm repeating myself, but you get the point. Okay, next necklace I'm going to show you guys is more of a statement necklace. It is this really pretty gold chain with a pendant from Miranda Fry as well. The chain and the pendant are actually sold separately, so I believe this was the Alex chain. I definitely have to double check on the name of that, and then I got to pick out which pendant I wanted with it. I have an H pendant, and then this is the Hope pendant that goes with it. You can buy a bunch and then change them out as you please, whether or not you want like a bigger pendant or a smaller pendant. I will warn you that the length on this is a little weird. Like I was saying, that sometimes lengths on necklaces can be a little bit awkward, but I definitely think that this is a necklace that you could again layer with a shorter necklace, or if you just want, if you're wearing like a higher neck shirt, this one wouldn't fall as awkwardly. Like if I wear it with this shirt, it kind of falls in between my boobs. You can adjust the clips to make it shorter or longer. You would just have a longer tail in the back. And that is it for my affordable jewelry collection haul. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these pieces. Like I said before, I will have them all linked down below, and if I can't find them or they're sold out or they don't sell them anymore, I will link an affordable dupe for them. So be on the lookout for that. It'll all be in the description below. If you're not following my Instagram already, go ahead and follow my Instagram because I have been upping my game lately, and you can see how I style some of these pieces with the outfits that I wear. Also, if you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.